In today's video, I'm cooking a protein-packed, delicious, healthy dal tadka with spinach. Dal is super easy to cook, and I'm going to show you with simple instructions how you can cook this beautiful, healthy dish in your own kitchen. So in this bowl, I've soaked moong dal and the red lentil or masar, and I've done it just to get rid of the dirt or the grit. And now I'm going to get rid of this dirty water and wash dal under the fresh water one more time. Now pour this dal into a pot and top it up with fresh warm water. And now add turmeric powder and salt. Give it a stir and let it boil on a medium flame. While the lentils are getting boiled, slice onion and now slice tomatoes. And now slice few green chillies. And now ginger. Slice ginger. And finally chop it. And now garlic. You bash it first. And then thoroughly chop it. The lentils have come to a boil. Let them boil a little longer. All the chopping up is done, so let's make a tadka now. Get a pan on a flame and now add vegetable oil into a pan. Let it heat up and then add cumin seeds, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, and then add chopped up onions. Give it a stir and fry them on a medium flame until they are nicely browned. Now add chopped up ginger and chopped up garlic. Fry them for about a minute. And now add chopped up tomatoes. And then fry these until they are nice and mushy. And to help them get softened, add a little bit of salt. And now add freshly ground coriander powder, bit of turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Fry them on a low flame for about 30 to 40 seconds. And add chopped up chillies. And fry these for about 30 to 40 seconds as well. And now add spinach. You can chop it, but I like to add it as it is, just small baby spinach, and cook it for about 30 to 40 seconds. As soon as the spinach is wilted, your tadka is ready. Dal is nicely boiled, and now I'm going to add this into the pan. Now give it a stir. Now adjust the seasoning and mix it. You can also adjust the thickness of a dal based on your likeness by adding hot water, but I like to have a little thicker dal, and this is a perfect thickness for me. And now add chopped up coriander leaves. Adds the freshness. At the end, you always want to add the coriander leaves at the end of the cook-off and give it a stir. So the dal tadka with the spinach is ready. You can eat it as it is, but to add another kick, another dimension, I'm going to add a chunk, which is a tadka of garlic. I'm going to show you, and I highly recommend that you do it. This will change the flavor profile completely. In a small pan, add vegetable oil or ghee, and then add chopped up garlic, just a pinch of asafoetida, and Kashmiri red chilli powder. Give it a stir and now pour it over and give it a stir. And your dal tadka with spinach is ready. And honestly, the aromas are divine. All that's left is to do a taste or a taste test. This dal tadka is different because it's got all the flavors of lentils, garlic, and the tadka on the top changes the flavor profile. Anybody who's vegan or anybody who's into health, this is a protein-packed, delicious, complete meal